Yeah, man.
Hello, my name is Miguel, and today I'm gonna make for you grilled ham, egg, cheese sandwich. Alright, so you're gonna need one egg, two slices of bread. I'm using this raisin bread as a substitute. You can use hard-dough bread as well. Cheddar cheese. You can use butter. We're gonna use butter to fry the eggs. And almond slice. And some coconut oil for frying the ham. And a bit of salt for flavoring. A pinch of salt for flavoring. Alright, now this is what the ham look like. It's smoked ham slices. Alright, put to eat a skillet or a frying pan. Put your stove gauge on 6 medium high and just allow the pot to dry. Alright, about 30 seconds between a minute. Add butter. You can use cooking oil if you don't want to use butter. So about a tablespoon of butter. Alright, you can spin the egg to find out if it's good. If it spins and stay one place, that means it's good. Alright, so you just crack an egg. Alright, just allow it to fry on one side. When it's fried on one side, you just flip the egg on the other side. That took about a minute and a half to fry on that side. Stove gauge is still on 6 medium high. So do as you see me do. Make sure the egg is cooked properly. Alright, you can finish. Turn the stove off. Use your spatula and remove the egg from the pot. Put it in a container and put it aside for later. Alright, now in the same pot, your stove's gauge on medium high, which around between 6 and 7. Alright, take your ham slices and make a cross in the middle. I do that so that when it fries, it don't create a slope and then build up pressure, and then if you move it, it can splash and hurt you. So by just cutting across in the middle, it won't, when it fries, it won't swell. So just put it in a pot and allow it to fry on one side. Stove gauge is on 2, medium low. Alright, after a minute, just because I'm using a small pot, just kind of turn the side that wasn't frying. Allow it to fry for a little while and then flip your arm on the other side. Alright, a minute between 2, 4 minutes in all. It's finished. You can remove the arm. Alright, now I'm gonna do some grilling. So I'm using this pizza tray. I'm gonna make a homemade grill top with my stove. So you just take a pizza tray and put it on top of your stove over one of the flame grill, and turn your stove on low, almost off low, like this. Almost off low. Make sure the stove's gauge is on almost off low and watch it. Alright, now just take your 2 slices of bread. If you're using Ardo bread, cut 2 thick slices of bread. I'm using raisin bread, so I just cut it in half and put it aside. Cheese, just slice the cheese the best way you can. You can cut little strips like this, or if you can hold it vertically and slice some thin slices, that can work as well. Alright, so that's our bun and our cheese ready for the grill. Alright, after about a minute or thereabout, and your homemade grill top is hot, you can use a skillet, frying pan. Just use the big one. And you can use one of those flat skillet too as well. Alright, so you put your bread one side down on the grill, raisin bread, the cut side down, and just allow it to toast. After a minute between 2, when you put the stove's gauge on low, you can't put it really low because it's going to take forever to toast. So kind of put it up like halfway between low and off. More on the off side. Alright, see, if it's too low and it's moving slow, you can turn the stove up a little, as I was just saying. Alright, after 3 minutes, use your spatula and compress the bread. Alright, so that's what you want. You want to see the toasting. Alright, so it's been 5 minutes toasting. So now you just take your cheddar cheese. You can use Parmesan or mozzarella, and just lay your cheese I'm sure there are rules onto how to lay the cheese and the egg and the ham and so forth, but my main objective is to lay it in such a way that when it melts, it sticks. Everything sticks together. So first I put 2 strips of cheese on the bread. Then I put the ham. Then I put several slices of cheese on that. Then I put the egg. Then I put several slices of cheese on the egg. And then I put another slice of ham over that. Now I'm gonna make a couple slices of cheese on top of the ham. And now I can place the bread side, that's toast, on top that. So now you put your sandwich, your ham egg sandwich. This is a typical ham egg sandwich now. Back on the grill. We're gonna make grilled ham egg cheese sandwich. So now you put the sandwich on the grill, use your spatula and maybe your hands, clean hand, and just put some elbow grease and compress the sandwich as flat as you can get it for now. And just allow it. These are grilled ham egg cheese sandwich on the grill. It's gonna stick to the grill, but it's okay. By the time it's ready, it will be easier to lift. Alright, the egg, I forgot to add a pinch of salt, but to be honest, it's not necessary because the ham is salty. So, being that I ate this sandwich already, it was not salt that I couldn't eat it. It was okay, but I could have made the sandwich without salt and it would have been okay. So it's just the same. Alright, it's been 4 minutes since we put it on the grill again. So you just use your spatula and compress it. The cheese should be warm enough to start melting. So use a spatula and compress the sandwich flat. While it cooks, the cheese will melt and stick the egg and the ham together. Alright, after 5 minutes, you just flip your sandwich on the other side. Use a spatula and compress it and allow. Alright, this is what your grilled ham egg sandwich look like. Alright, so just use your spatula and press it down. Alright, it's been 5 minutes on this side, 10 in all. This is what it looks like. This is what you want. You want the cheese to melt. Just use your spatula and compress the sandwich on the grill. Alright, this is 10 minutes. This is 10 minutes in all, total. You finish, just turn it off. And this is what your grilled ham egg cheese sandwich look like. Once the cheese start melting and dripping on the grill, that's when it's ready. Alright, now you just take your grilled ham, egg, cheese sandwich and slice and cut it in half. Like you see me doing. Alright. Alright, so this is a close-up image of grilled ham, egg, cheese sandwich. An American breakfast. Alright, let's taste this thing. Let's taste my grilled ham, egg, cheese sandwich. Sticking together. I didn't use plenty cheese, but if I did, you would see all the cheese running out. Alright, this tastes like a typical grilled ham, egg, cheese sandwich. All this sandwich need is some jelly. Some strawberry jelly or jam or grape. I like them both. Alright. Visit JamaicaDinners.com, subscribe, like, and leave a nice comment. These sandwiches are sold in, I forget what them call them, diners, yeah. Diners all over America. In the morning and lunchtime you can get stuff like this. Probably in the nights too. But diners all over America serve this in the morning. For truckers, working class people, regular motorists traveling from state to state. You won't get a sandwich like this in a typical restaurant like one of those fast food restaurants. But diners is where you would get a sandwich like this. This is a typical American breakfast. They often have this with some cereal or coffee or tea. Mainly coffee though.
Yeah, man!